Hello everyone, my name is Lilish. In today's tutorials, I will be showing you how to crochet a wooden base without cutting your material. I'm using 8 inches wooden base with 52 holes and this beautiful red teacher yarn. This is a very easy project for beginners to create solid foundations. I am using 5mm crochet hook. I will leave links of materials in the description below. This will be the outside finished side and this will be the inside where we started the slip stitches. Let's get to work. We're going to start by leaving a little tail so we can use it to the end of the round for the first one. So we'll do a little loop, select any spot, any circle, bring the material, leave the tail. We can hold the tail with this hand like this, and we're going to work this way. We bring the working yarn from the back, pull it up a little bit. Now this one is okay because this is the tail and we'll work on that later. Remember not to do it too tight or too loose, and we're working on it with our 5mm hook. So we are making sure that it's not too small or not too big. We'll continue this round the same. Up a little bit and get it out. Up a little bit, get it out. Look how beautiful this is looking. This is the way it's supposed to be. See you here. We are at the last stitch here for the first round, and we would like to review how this is looking. Beautiful looking here. Do some adjustments as necessary, and we're going to do the last stitch of this round. We go ahead and do the same thing, get it out, and we are ready to close the first round with this small piece of here with the tail. To do that, once we do the last stitch, we're going to insert the hook in the last stitch we made. We bring the tail from the back through this center right here. We get it out. Once out, we pass it through here. We're going to get this through here, under, and pull it, and it's coming this way right here. Perfect. The next thing, we're going to bring it in the back through here, so we're going to insert the hook in the middle, bring the tail, this one, to the back and pull it to the back. Right here we have our finished stitch, beautiful finished stitch, and we are ready to proceed with round number 2. For round number 2, we'll use the same 5mm. We adjust the size of this, not too small, not too big. For round number 2, we're going to build in the tail here, and we're going to work our first stitch this way. Make sure you're not making it too small or too big. We're going to do the next one, put the hook through the middle. You can look in the back to make sure we're working in the back over here. This one is going to be built in the stitches, and then we bring our material to the front, raise it up a little bit and get it out. This is gonna be number 2. We raise it up so we don't have it too tight. Make sure that everything is smooth. Bring it up, pull it, and there we have our third stitch. And make sure we're still working with 5mm because we have to go through the insides in here. The next one, we move this up a little bit. We don't want to be too tight. Put it through here. Validate that you have it under here on your working yarn. Put in your other tail there. Bring it up. Bring this material here. Beautiful. Put it up a little bit. And the next one. Put it up. Bring it to the back. And the next one. Through the middle. Bring the material from the back. Pull it up. And get it out. And this we're going to continue all the way until I see you here. Checking status, we're almost done with round 2, and if you can see, it's looking beautiful and flat. Very important. And here, very important that all of these look very uniform. So we'll continue. We go here and we'll close it together. We are the last stitch of round 2. Let's do it together. We put the hook here in the back. Make sure it's at the bottom. We bring the material to the front. Raise it up a little bit and get it out to complete the stitch. So now we're going to finish this round. Look how beautiful this is. Nice and flat. Let's finish up the last round, and to do that we need to make the last stitch loop little big so we can bring it over here. So if we notice here, this is our first loop of the stitch of the second round. So we'll bring the hook here, pull this loop to the back. We're building here the last stitch of the second round. So we're going to bring this loop through here to the back to finish up this round. So we'll find this place here. If you notice, this is the last stitch we made from this round. We pull it this way and we tie it there. Let's take a look how this is looking. Beautiful, beautiful. We're going to continue this in the next video to show you how the next step is, but for right now we finish our project of doing the foundation. Very nice and beautiful. This is the part of the bottom. This is going to be the inside. We're going to go this way. Going to build what we're going to build here is going to go up this way. This is just the foundation.